bees right now.
Yeah, this is bullshit.
Alright. What time is it, dude? I don't know, 5 something. Going pre-run. Ben's late. I know I say that a lot, but it's just the cold hard truth. But yeah, we're going downstairs. Got my deck toiletry bag. This is me and Ben's. We got our shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and all our smushies. We traveled light. I figured Thursday we try to do a full lap. We run through everything. Maybe have the heli meet us a couple places. Have the heli meet us up by Lights, down in that area. And then K77 no host. Bro, stop following me. Trey, you ever, if Ben's ever following you in like a public area? Why are you filming me? Got it. Got it.
No, I won't
Stop.
take my clothes off.
Stop filming me.
Money for services. Gosh. Leave me alone. It's me.
What do you want from me? That's what I like to do. Like when we're at like Walmart and stuff.
Yeah. Make a big scene.
Why? I take it like a champ too. I just keep following him. He just goes, stop.
I'm starting to catch you on the tan lines. I don't know, dude.
Keep my glove on.
I don't know, dude.
Damn. Let's get a comparison.
Wait. But so there's one, but I got two.
Dude, this one looks like masculine.
No, it literally looks like it was just taped off.
It is perfect. He just spray painted his arm.
The sleeves off that shirt. He's yoked.
Buddy's gonna be rocking contended shoes. I'm like, yeah, you see this?
But when Mike gives me crap every night because I wear sleeveless to go to sleep and I just look absolutely yeah, just one side.
Okay.
Shall we do a damn thing?
Let's roll.
Same shit, different day.
Where are we? Are we still driving?
Well, she's halfway over this hot on sun. She's not gone yet, but she's leaving. And she's quite sure she's not the only one. She's not gone yet, but she's leaving. Well, there's a quiver up the backbone, dogs in the dust. She's not gone yet, but she's leaving. She'll take what she needs and she'll do what she must. She's not gone yet, but she's leaving. There's a rumble, whisper underneath the cover, louder than a dead man's drum.
We're dealing with a swarm of bees right now.
Help me, Jesus! Help me, Jewish God!
I think there's multiple on you, Chris.
This makes us all realize the kind of pressure these drivers are under.
Let's just drive away and buckle up like up there.
Yeah.
Just jump in. Yeah, we'll buckle up there. Yeah, this is bullshit.
Oh.
Dude, I like, the swarm hit us and I was kind of like, oh yeah, shit. I was like, you were like, pull over. I was like, I think we just gotta keep driving. And then all of a sudden they were everywhere.
Will, you got hit a few times.
Dude, I don't know if you saw that. Will swatted one and just like hit me here.
Oh my god. Dude, Will, you got hit a few times, huh? You get stuck?
I think in my leg, yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, somehow I didn't get stung. I thought for sure the one that I smacked at you was gonna sting you. And I was gonna feel like,
No, it's good.
dude, one, I swatted and then I was sitting here. How did they not get any?
Dude, the swarm must have dipped or something.
Holy shit. Dude, that's
They
the
should have
most
turned
my
around
heart
and
rate's gone up
watched
this
us.
entire trip.
Huh?
Doing 80 down all this shit, my heart rate's like 50. Those things flying here, I'm like 120, dude.
Man.
You wouldn't see me in that car ever again.
Oh,
Dude, we thought we were like fine. We're like, okay, and then all of a sudden, like, Will got stuck, and then just pure panic broke out. That's why we like dove out of the car. We were, dude, I was there was a video. We were all screaming, panicking. Will's yell just straight started. Oh man. It's like, oh, they're attacking! Scared for my life, dude. Ben, you're gonna have to take care of me. I know. Will screams, I just hit him with insulin, dude. Just jab him with the needle. Yeah. All of a sudden, this arm comes from above. Will's all, what the f***? Why'd you do that? Ben's all, I thought you needed help. I thought you were dying. I was feeling a little tired, you know? Not anymore. Now after just fighting a freaking 500 feet, dude, the one would not leave me alone. No, that's probably the one I smacked against you. Yeah, he woke up and was like, this guy. He's like,
Here, I'm missing out on all the fun. Fill up the Raptor, it's got a half tank right now.
Yeah, we should probably fill it. My guy.
He's like, your Raptor?
Lame.
right, left. Left forward, tight. Zero on right. Right forward, tight. Right forward, tight. Good, straight over. Right forward. Left forward, tight. Left three, tight. Ox actually loosens the other day. Yeah, lots. Kind of cool.
Toasty out there, dude. It's been nice this morning, but it's starting to get toasty. But yeah, we've covered a lot of ground, Gio. We've gone from the coast through the mountains, and now we're over here at K77. So physically on a map, we've covered some ground. We did do some highway just now from Valley T to K77. This section, I feel like I know all right. I kind of want to focus more on the coast right now. So yeah, we're gonna go spend some time on the coast. 3? That's all you got?
I just wanted the snack. Yeah. You know me and my snacks. I think I overcooked them though. They've seen better days.
Yo, we'll blow out. This morning I was like, who's gonna break into the taquitos?
Oh.
That a boy, Mike. Tiki masala.
I don't know. We got some carrots. And we got some, I don't know what those are. Some squash, some rice, and chicken.
Hey, Trey, you kind of came in with the ass, dude.
It's the one thing I've done right this trip so far. Everything else is I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Where the heck is
This is the one decent thing.
Passenger door.
Advil, #1 stop. I'm telling you, man, this car is just, it's not it, dude. California races, Nevada races, all that good stuff, Arizona. Great times, she works great. This stuff is just a little too much. Need to tune her up a little bit. I'm like going into my back, like, dude, I feel like a snake back.
Dude, a video of like Trey's car bucking, and then Mike's just like, should've got foxes.
Tight.
Shit. Dude.
Hey. Trey and Razors, I mean, he's hard on them.
Time to bang up Razors, Trey.
Driving too hard. Just really wheel them. They can't take it.
I think he'll find a way to break anything.
Bronco on Thursday night to Stampede. Same thing. Sometimes you just gotta hold on to her a little bit.
Trying to be a Utah like us, dude. We got rodeo like 5 days a week during the summer.
Really?
Oh yeah.
It'll be like
rodeo literally. There's at least one rodeo every weekend during the summer.
So when are you gonna start riding bulls?
Dude, we've been talking about it. We were convinced we could do everything.
100%. It's not that
Ben's
hard.
like, dude, Ben like saw the fucking Broncos. He's like, this, what's the point? This isn't even like, he was talking so much shit, he's loud. And we're like, hey man, maybe you should calm down. Like these are
Cowboy's gonna come up behind you.
What'd you say, boy?
Each time I rode a mechanical bull, I pulled a muscle in my groin.
Oh. Yeah, you gotta watch it.
Couldn't walk right for like 2 weeks.
There is no air in that pad.
I know.
That's the best part of it. There's a reason there's a weight limit, and it's because of that pad. I get on this thing, I get flung off, dude. I land on this mat and I hit straight wood floor. I knocked the wind out of myself. I'm sitting here like, dying.
Help! Help!
What's it called? The Aussie wheel. Wheel.
Baja, man.
Baja. Dude, seeing these trophy trucks go by us, I was like, I can't wait to get in my truck. These razors suck.
Give like a pep talk or something, Chris. Yeah, get everyone back
Talk,
hyped.
dude.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. I'm tired of this bullshit. Complaining. No. Sickness. Yeah, no more getting sick. No more getting stung by bees. Yeah. Dude, you don't have no clue what. This morning, he's just like, this is the worst day ever. What the f? And he's just like in there and a non-stop
hey,
just
I said a pep
yelling,
talk, bro. You don't gotta put
like
me on
straight
blast.
yelling. Like, and he's like, tell Trey. Tell Trey. He's like, it's the same spot. It's the same spot. I'm like, dude, chill. He's like, you're not relaying the message right.
we thought we got stung in the arm again.
That's what he's like, oh, his biceps gonna be huge. He's like, no, not the bicep. Literally, that's how it's going down in the car.
Man, it's gonna be Popeye here pretty soon.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, dude, this floor is gonna be massive. But then you came back over and it was like, oh, it's the same spot. I was like, damn.
You thought these arms couldn't get any bigger too.
Man, let's finish before the pre-run, baby.
Popeye. Okay.
Nope, let's do a damn thing.
Let's boogie, boys.
Time to go to hell and back right now. We'll see you boys at the taco joint.
Long day in the saddle, but it was good. Covered a lot of miles. Getting burned in, a lot of lines starting to get burned in. Every place I was like, oh, there'll be a line here, maybe no one will burn in. It's already burned in, and it's Monday, so to be expected. But besides that, it's good. Yeah, car's running good. Now we're in K&N for the night. Change it up, Change the scenery. I don't know. It's kind of better, I guess. Better than just streets. But that's all I got for today.
Long day in the saddle, but we've got about 40, almost 4,800 notes, and so I think we'll have about between 5,000 to 5,500 by the time we're done for the short little 400 race. Normally this race is pretty easy, but they definitely threw together a really challenging race. It's pretty rough. It's fast in some sections, but it's really rough and technical in a lot of other sections.
It was good. Another long day. I don't know. They're all starting to blend together, so it's all starting to feel the same, but I think it was solid. We got some good notes. I don't know, starting to feel better and better about the course, so starting to find some lines and cutoffs, and yeah, getting excited for race day. It's officially race week, so it's almost go time. But other than that, good day. I don't know. Trev?
Still sore.
I say you guys look a little beat today.
Yeah, it was a good day. Today was it was hot for a minute, and then it cooled down around the coast for the most part, so it was nice.
I think the amount of times I brought up like ice cream scoops today, or like, dude, chocolate taco. Wait,
Chocolate. He's bringing down a menu. He might be able to whip one up.
I don't know.
Look at, watch, here it comes.
It's the little pleasures in Baja. The little things.
Tacos, anybody? Tell me he's got tacos.
Yeah, Choco tacos in that menu, bro.
I would lose it right now if they had a chocolate taco.
What do you think that net is right there? That might be like a pickleball or something, dude. Think so? I don't know. I never played pickleball. Pickleball is popular, dude, but I don't think it's made it.
I also don't think you can play pickleball on dirt. I think that's the problem.
I'm just curious what this whole pit's for. I mean, we got like hay bales. Is that a bunch of alcohol, it looks like? Yeah, dude. It looks like they were getting lit right there.
Do like some gladiator stuff.
Yeah, maybe they just do like a freaking pit. Like, they just go hard in the pit. They put a bunch of stands up where we are.
Rodeos, fights, pickleball.
Dude. Maybe it's like a wedding venue. Dude, going from it could be gladiator to it might be a wedding venue. It's all how you look at it.
There's a wrong